SEALSQ has announced the introduction of its Quantum AI (QAI) framework at the United Nations Alliance of Civilizations (AI for One Humanity) event in Geneva, marking a significant milestone in aligning quantum computing with human rights, ethical governance, and digital trust. The QAI framework combines post-quantum cryptography with AI to enhance system efficiency, responsiveness, and resilience against future threats, while optimizing cryptographic processes and detecting anomalies for securing critical infrastructures, digital identities, and sensitive communications from future threats. The framework incorporates recently standardized algorithms that resist attacks from both classical and quantum adversaries and uses AI techniques for dynamic fine-tuning of cryptographic parameters, improving speed and performance without compromising security. QAI is also rooted in a principled vision for ethical and responsible AI, ensuring all deployed AI systems are developed according to internationally recognized human rights standards. SEALSQ emphasizes the strategic urgency of quantum preparedness, as global governments rapidly invest in quantum technologies and establish standards for post-quantum cryptography. SEALSQ's QAI framework aims to address the need for interoperable and globally coordinated solutions in the quantum arms race. By adhering to international standards and incorporating ethical AI practices, SEALSQ is contributing to a digital ecosystem that prioritizes security, sovereignty, and trust. The QAI framework is being integrated into SEALSQ's broader portfolio of secure semiconductors, IoT platforms, digital identity tools, and satellite communications systems. This approach aligns with the goal of creating secure, ethical, and inclusive technologies as we enter an era defined by the convergence of AI and quantum computing. SEALSQ also made advancements from partnering with WiseKey to launch the Human AI Technology Initiative with global partners aiming to steer AI toward human-centered ethics, as well as their investment in Weaken Group, which also involves integrating two powerful compliance technologies. SEALSQ will acquire a 30% equity stake in Weaken Group as part of the collaboration. This integration connects WiseID, a digital identity platform developed by parent company WiseKey International Holding and Weaken Comply, Weaken Group's decentralized compliance and data vaulting solution. The Weaken token is now used as a dynamic utility token for accessing identity verification services that include WiseID Verified ID. The Weaken token is set to expand its utility as users will be able to purchase WiseID verified identities using it. This move reinforces the token's position as a global standard for secure and verifiable digital identities. The integration aims to reduce the annual compliance burden on financial institutions, which can reach up to $3,500 per customer by at least 30%. In an era of AI-generated document fraud, this combined with blockchain traceability, hardware-secured identity, and mutualized compliance records delivers a highly secure and resistant identity verification system. With a capped supply of 6 billion tokens, the potential demand for tokenized identity services positions the Weaken token for significant value appreciation. SEALSQ also partnered with Thomson Quantum AI to integrate its post-quantum cryptography technology into Thomson's hardware ecosystem. The agreement covers an initial deployment of SEALSQ's post-quantum root of trust security into 60,000 Thomson laptops, tablets, and smartphones. By early 2026, Thomson devices will also incorporate SEALSQ's trusted platform module, delivering end-to-end quantum-resistant protection. This partnership aims to offer secure laptops engineered specifically for the quantum computing era, enabling efficient data authentication, digital signatures, and encryption using quantum-resistant algorithms running on a chip that meets internationally recognized certifications such as TCG's TPM 2.0. SEALSQ's post-quantum hardware can be used in various ways in Thomson Quantum AI devices to enhance security against future quantum computer attacks. This includes securing personal and enterprise devices, providing a trusted platform module, TPM, for device integrity, enabling end-to-end secure communications, offering cryptographic agility and compliance, supporting digital identity and authentication, integrating with blockchain and Web3 technologies, securing IoT devices, ensuring secure AI and ML operations, protecting long-term data, and aiding national security and critical infrastructure protection. For more on SEALSQ and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.